Are you looking for some condo living without all of the crowds? Almost all of the buildings in Panama City Beach allow short-term rentals or vacation rentals, which means loads of tourists. But there are a couple of projects where short-term rentals are not allowed. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, and today I want to show you a fantastic Bayfront 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Marina Landing. Let's check it out. Marina Landing was built with a more residential feel in mind. Short-term rentals are restricted, the units themselves are much larger, and the balconies are huge. It really is a good setup for someone who wants to live in a condominium or someone who's going to spend a lot of time here, like a true second home situation. Owners have the access to a parking garage, so you don't have to worry about the elements when you're parking. And if you own a boat, there's a marina right next door. So before we go in and check out the condo itself, I want to show you some of the amenities on the ground floor. They're really fantastic. Let's go. There's some fantastic lounge spaces on the first floor at Marina Landing. And remember, spaces like this are a lot less crowded than most of the Gulfront condo projects, so you actually use it and be able to enjoy it that much more. Also on the first floor, there's a conference room that owners can reserve for meetings. And check out this awesome fitness room. There's plenty of space to stretch and warm up, plenty of free weights, and even some cardio equipment, all looking right over St. Andrews Bay. All right, and now the best part about the amenities on the ground floor. Check out this massive deck, huge covered patio area, and this awesome pool and hot tub. So there are only 16 floors at Marina Landing, means there's only 87 units, so less density, it's less busy, right? And unit 1002 is on the far end away from the elevators, again, less traffic, and you're even further from the bridge, so it's really the ideal spot to be if you're gonna be in Marina Landing. Let's go check it out. All right, Marina Landing number 1002. The first thing you notice is view everywhere. Tons of floor-to-ceiling windows and doors all along the water in this main living space. There's plenty of space in the main living areas. Kitchen, living, and dining areas are all connected in this open concept. The living room features a cozy fireplace with some cool glass tile work around it, and over here in the kitchen, you have everything you need. Stainless steel appliances, more glass block tile work, cool modern cabinets, and a large island, which is fantastic for entertaining. All right, let's talk bedrooms and bathrooms. Both bedrooms are larger than most condos, so you have plenty of space. And both bedrooms are waterfront, and both bedrooms have their own private bathrooms. All right, and here's the best part. Check out this humongous balcony. And think about all the ways you could enjoy this. If you're an early riser, you're sitting out here sipping on your morning coffee and enjoying the view. Maybe it's a quick snack or lunchtime and you can check out all the boats on the Intercoastal Waterway. That's right, that's the Intercoastal Waterway running right there. Or you can take a nap in the afternoon, or if it's happy hour, right, time to sip a cocktail. And spoiler alert, the views and lights at nighttime of the bridge are absolutely stunning. And probably the best part of this, check it out. You have your own private grill right steps away from the kitchen on the balcony. I can think of only about 2 other projects in Panama City Beach that even allow this. All right, that's it. That's Marina Landing number 1002. It's really easy to see, so if you want to see it in person, let me know. Also, if you're thinking about selling your condo or your house and you want a video shot like this in your marketing, let me know. Easiest way to reach me is at 850-527-0221. Just give me a call or shoot me a text, or you can email me at craig@durangroupfl.com. Thanks for watching.